Hi, I'm Jeff Johnson. I'm the Mechatronics Product Manager for Beckhoff USA. Do XTS and XPlanar simply replace conveyors? So, not really. While you could utilize both just as a transport system, the real benefit is really designing around all the benefits of it. So on a standard conveyor system, you have a fixed pitch, everything indexes at the same time. What the XTS and XPlanar allow you to do now is change that product pitch. So instead of indexing, everybody does their process, index again, now you can index asynchronously throughout your process to meet your production or your process needs. The XPlanar also adds that second dimension of the 2D, so now as you have optional processes, the mover simply gets out of line, moves down, skips a station, goes to the next station. So now it gives you a lot of flexibility in both systems. And even like XTS, we have the track management. So now I can have parallel processes. As I'm indexing, I can choose whether or not to shift a mover to the parallel track, do that process, and rejoin the product flow. So now both systems allow you to shrink your footprint, and what we're seeing typically when you redesign your machine around these benefits, we're seeing a 30 to 60% footprint reduction, which is very important because a lot of end users, they want to increase manufacturing, but they don't want to build new plants. So if we can build more product in the same factory, it's a big benefit. And both of these products do a really good job at shrinking that footprint because now you're eliminating a lot of conveyors that are simply just transporting product from A to B versus doing the work right on the conveyor system for the process. So again, there's a lot of flexibility here. Really the limitation is your imagination. What can we think about? How can we think about utilizing both of these products in your processes?